Hi guys, it's Rochelle. I hope you guys are doing excellent and getting some good deals on stocks. Welcome to episode 5 of Road to 10,000, where I try to get my portfolio up to $10,000 as well as earn an average of $20 in dividends a month. Before I get started, I just wanted to say that this is for entertainment purposes only. I just wanted to document the journey of my progression of knowledge about stocks. This month has been another crazy month with new rounds of short squeezes and now bond sell-offs. I'm holding onto my stocks even through the red days because I plan on most of these stocks in my portfolio to be a long-term investment. As of the last trading day in February, my portfolio closed at $4,601.57. Towards the middle of the month, my portfolio just started seeing a bunch of red days. It actually closed at 4.64% down, and at one point I was up over 100% for CCI, and just a few days later I was down almost 10%. You could say it was a rough time in the stock market. However, for CCIV, I believe that the initial drop in price was due to the new news about the valuation of the company. This month I was paid by 6 companies. The first company that paid me was AT&T, or ticker symbol T. I was paid $8.32 for owning 16 shares, and each share paid 52 cents. Next, I was paid 60 cents from AG&C for owning 5 shares at 12 cents a share. And one of my favorite companies, Apple, with ticker symbol AAPL. Don't get this one confused with the hospitality REIT. This one paid me $2.26 for owning 11 shares at 20.5 cents a share. Next, I was paid by more REITs other than AG&C. I was paid 70 cents for owning 3 shares of O, or Realty Income. I was then paid 12 cents for owning 1 share of Stag. And the last REIT that paid me for the month of February was a quarterly paying dividend stock. This ticker symbol was OHI. They paid me 67 cents for owning 2 shares. And lastly, I was paid $1.02 by SPHD for owning 7 shares. The grand total in dividends for the month of February was at $13.69. This is the highest I've ever earned in a month. I can't wait to earn at least $15 in a month. That will be really exciting. And last year in February, I only had a Ford in my Robinhood portfolio and I earned 0 dividends. So this month I deviated a little from purchasing dividend stocks. I ended up purchasing some new companies to my portfolio. This included CCIV, Palantir, TTCF, and Shift. I plan on keeping these stocks as a long-term holds and as growth stocks. I'll put up my purchase prices for these stocks on the screen. I bought 3 shares of CCIV, 2 shares of Tattooed Chef, 2 shares of Palantir, and 9 shares of Shift. I also purchased a few shares of some of my favorite dividend stocks. I bought 3 shares of AG&C and 2 shares of AT&T. That just about wraps up my dividends and purchases for the month of February. Throughout this month, I've actually been trying to learn more about fundamentals and technicals to better analyze stocks. I experienced my first day of paper trading, which was stressful and fun. I lost money and gained some money and made a profit of $512. But of course, I know this might not be something that I can consistently do, and I still need more practice. It was a great experience, and hopefully one day down the road, I will be able to share some of these things that I've learned with you guys once I feel more comfortable day trading and sharing my thought process. Please like and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos on the stocks, credit cards, or personal finance. Thank you for all the support. Let's excel in life together.